How to trade options on TradingView with Webull. First, connect Webull to TradingView. Open TradingView, go to Trade, select Webull, then log in and connect to your account. Webull officially supports connecting the two in this way. Then find your stock. Search for the stock you want to trade and use the TradingView chart to analyze it. Then open Webull's options chain. Switch to Webull, search for the same stock, and then open options. Step 4. Choose your contract. Pick the expiration, call or put, then strike price that you want. 5th. Place the trade. Select the contract, buy, choose your quantity, order type, review, and then place the order. Webull's options platform supports order placement directly from its options interface. That's literally it. So the workflow is from TradingView you analyze the underlying, and from Webull you select and execute the option trade. This is because Webull does not currently support placing options trades directly through TradingView. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.